Ready? Oh, nice job. Here's another one. You can just leave it up there if you want. Oh. Here. Thanks. Show me how you put your bow in, or your arrow in. It's a handy little trick that Daddy showed you, eh?
Yeah. He showed me because it's fun. Wait.
Ready? Yeah. Ready, aim, fire. Whoa! Give me next. Blow it up. Good job.
I'm going to try this again.
Okay. Yeah. You should go from farther away. You should try and shoot it from there. Ready, aim, fire. Oh, good try. Ready, aim, fire. Nice job.
Thanks.
You're so good at that. Is that fun?
Yeah?
Do you love your bow and arrow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really fun.
It's kind of like Daddy's bow, eh? Does Daddy have a bow?
Yeah, he does. He shoots deer and bears all the time.
Yeah.
With my kids.
Are you going to shoot bear and deer when you get older?
Yeah, when I get older.
Yeah, you're going to go hunting with Daddy? Ready, aim, you just did it before I was ready. That's okay. Good job.
I need Dad's